back. So tonight we're going to tie the Young's Claret Bumble. The hook in the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. Thread that we're going to use is the Uni Thread 80 in Mahogany. Now you could use a red thread if you wish, or a black. That's up to you. I'm just going to work my thread on in fairly close touching turns. Remove the waist tag of thread. And you'll just notice there I'm working it down just until I'm slightly past the point of the hook. Then the rib is a oval gold tinsel. So 5 or 6 turns heading down towards the bend of the hook to secure in our rib. Then the body, you're just looking 2 strands of Peacock herl. Now if you want to beef the body up, you could use 3 strands. Just want to get these leveled up. Just clip away the tips. That's really the weakest part of the fibre there. And just pull these in the length of the body. And then we'll just quickly work our thread forward. I'm not trying to create a smooth body here at all. I'm just making sure that the materials are well tied in. And we're going to bring the Peacock curl up the opposite way to the way that we weaned our thread. So I'm bringing the Peacock curl towards myself. And you're just looking to come up 1 turn in front of the other. Just up to meet your thread to that point there. Just drop the thread over, and then a couple of turns onto the hook. Turn over the herl, turn onto the hook. Do this 3 or 4 times, guys, just to make sure that the Peacock herl is well secured in. Then you can keep your thread tight. You should be able to break those away. That one there didn't want to come away, so just trim it. That's the nice herl body that you get. Your body hackle, you're just looking at Claret cock hackle. This is just a Chinese cock hackle that I'm using here. Just catch that in, slip away the stem. Then we're just going to palmer this down the body. Just going to get 2 turns going at the shoulder of the fly, meaning the top of the body, and then 4 turns down the body. Now, getting a wee bit shorter, so just come in and push the hackle tip round like that, or if you don't like doing that, just use your hackle pliers. Then we're just going to come up with the oval gold tinsel. 4 turns. Sweep all your fibres back, bring your oval gold tinsel up to the front, and catch this in nice and tight. Just working the thread to the eye of the hook. And we'll trim that away. Break away the tip of the hackle at the back. And just for the catch any fibres, just coming in with the old toothbrush. Just make sure you're brushing everything out. Just get it sitting nice. Then the front hackle, you're just looking at a nice dark grouse hackle. Just take away the rubbish. Now, 2 sides for me, winding the full feather on. It's just a wee bit too much for the way I want to dress it. So just removing, just ripping the fibres off the rachis here, the stem, and using 1 side. So this is going to be the side here. The side here will contact the hook. So just come in, stroke back your fibres on the stem to reveal the tip. Offer this up to the hook. Round with a couple of turns. I'm going to fold the tip of the hackle back and just tie up over the top. And we'll come in and break away the tip of the hackle. And then yet again, if you think you need to use your hackle pliers, connect them on. And I'm going to use up the the full feather here, so we should get 2 turns, maybe 3 out of this. Just 1 turn yet again in front of the other. Right the whole way down to the eye, just at this point here. Now don't let go of your stem, just follow this around with your thread. Any wee fibres that are, just ease them back. Another turn, fold everything back now at this point, and then you're just going to build up your head. The mahogany thread's nice and rich, so you don't want to be shy with the head on the fly. Nice and tight. Just come in and get the excess stem out, so we'll say. It'll be a bit difficult there with me. Just take your time, be patient. It's not a race. Make sure everything's well back. And to get a clean cut, the best thing to do here is hold your thread nice and tight and break away the stem. And then I'm just going to come in and just throw in a 3 or 4 turn whip finish here. Just tidying up as we go. Pull the thread nice and tight. Come in, trim away our tang thread. Now we can come in and open it up, because the grouse fibre will want to stick together. Now you see the wee fly, and that there is Young's Claret Bumble. This is one of the flies from Ed Malone's book, Tang in the Irish Day. Now the first coat that I'm putting on the head here is just a wee drop of super glue. You just don't want to touch your grouse hackle. Then I'll just come in with my needle, just take away the excess glue, and then just a bit of wire, guys, just to bring the fibres back here, just to make sure the eye is clean. And there you go, guys, that's the Young's Claret Bumble. So hopefully you've got something from that, guys. You can have a wee crack at it yourselves, tie a few up. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. Until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other, and all being well, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks. Bye.